All right, let's have a look at paper 2. Do, 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 do. Bum, 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 bum. P is a constant. P is on the line, blah, blah, blah. Find P. 3P, because x is P, minus 2y plus 28 equals 0. 3P, 28 minus 10 is 18, minus 18. P is minus 6, minus 6, and 5. Let's double check the answer, huh? Make sure we are good. 3 times minus 6 minus 2 times 5 plus 28 is 0. The line L is that, the line H is that. Work out the size of the acute angle between the lines L and H. Give your answer to the nearest degree. So here the slope of this one is minus 1 over 3, and here the slope of this one is 2 over 5, right? Because you take the 5y over and divide by 2, and then it's the formula tan theta, isn't it? What's it? Plus or minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2, I believe. Let me see. Minus 1/3 minus 2/5 over 1 minus a third times a fifth, 2/5. So we want to tan inverse that answer. And that's 40 degrees. Yes, that's it. I'll have to check the formula. A line cuts the x-axis at that point and the y-axis at that point. So cuts it here, A0, 0b. The slope of this line is minus 2 over 3. The area of the triangle enclosed is 12 units. There are 2 different lines which satisfy these conditions. Find the equation of each of these lines. It may be useful to draw a diagram. I guess because it could be upside down, the negative, yeah, it could be a plus or minus, I'd imagine. Cuts the x-axis at A0 and the y-axis at 0b. The slope of this line is minus 2/3. Oh, so minus 2/3. So how else could it be? Not that way. I guess, yeah, you guess the other possibility is it's like over here. So anyways, a half the base times the height is 12, and b over a well, I won't factor in the just 2 over 3. I guess technically it's minus b over a equals minus 2 over 3, but I think I can just do it this way. Right, so a is 3 over 2b, so that's a half. 3 over 2b squared is 12. So it's 12 times 2 times 2 divided by 3. Ah, great. So b is plus or minus 4. Then a's sign would have to match it. So a times 3.3 over 2. Plus or minus 6. Find the equation of each line. So you have y equals mx plus the intercept. or y equals mx plus the intercept. It's based on there. I think that's okay.